Hi friends, very good morning. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Today's topic for the discussion is issue of bonus share. High net worth company want to compensate the shareholders without affecting its fund flow. So the only alternative is issue of bonus share. Now let us understand what is a bonus share. Bonus share means issue of shares to the existing shareholders without any consideration in a share entitlement ratio. So the share entitlement ratio means number of shares which a shareholder is entitled to. It is explained in a ratio like 1:1, 2:5, 1:10, etc. 1:1 means one bonus share for every one shares held by the shareholder. 2:5 means two bonus share for every 5 shares held by the shareholder. 1:10 means one bonus share for every 10 shares held by the shareholders, like that. And bonus share allotment is decided on the basis of record date. So the record date means date on which all shareholders are entitled to bonus share. So this is all about the basics of bonus share. Let us understand advantage of bonus issue. 1. Cash flow will not be affected. Why? Because cash will not go out of its current account. Company capitalizes by issue of shares. 2. Market price will come down. The concept of earning per share will apply here. What is earning per share? Earning per share means net profit divided by number of shares. Suppose number of shares increased. If number of shares increase, EPS will come down. Same concept will apply here. After bonus issue allotment, shares will pumped into the market, and as a result of that, market price will come down. 3. Shareholders' wealth will be increased. I will tell you an example. I am holding 100 shares of Infosys at a rate of rupees 1000 as of today. That constitutes 1 lakh worth. Infosys declared 1:1 bonus share. So I am additionally getting 100 shares after bonus allotment, but simultaneously market price will come down. But over the period of time, depending upon demand and a growing strategy of the company, market price will come up. Say market price is increased from rupees 500 to 1000. So my worth increased from 1 lakh to 2 lakh without doing anything. So shareholders' wealth increased as a result of this. 4. Bonus share is a non-taxable income. So no tax need to be paid on bonus share. 5. Paid up share capital will increase along with allotment of bonus share. So these are the advantage of bonus share. Now let's see sources for issue of bonus share. There are 3 sources from which bonus share can be made. One is free reserve, second one is securities premium amount, and third one is capital redemption reserve. Free reserve means reserve which is kept free for distribution as dividend. Securities premium amount means amount which is received by way of premium on issue of shares. And 3. Capital redemption reserve. It means the reserve which is maintained if company is issuing redeemable preference shares. So these are the sources from which company can issue bonus share. Now let's discuss regulatory framework governing issue of bonus share. We have Companies Act 2013, which is applicable for every companies. Section 63 deals with issue of bonus share. This section has to be read along with a rule which is Companies Share Capital and Debenture Rule 2014. Under section 63, there are 7 conditions that need to be complied with. One is articles of association must provide for the same. 2. Board of directors and shareholders approval is required. 3. There is no default in repayment of principal amount and interest amount of fixed deposit and debt securities. 4. There is no default in payment of statutory dues like ESI, PF, etc. 5th, partly paid up shares must be made fully paid up. 6th, once bonus share is declared, it shall not be withdrawn. 7. Bonus share shall not be issued in lieu of dividend. So these are the conditions that need to be complied before issue of bonus share. Listed company has to be additionally satisfied with securities law. We have 2 regulations. One is SEBI ICDR regulation 2018 and 2 SEBI LODR regulation 2015. In short, it is called listing regulation. Under ICDR regulation, 2 conditions need to be additionally satisfied. One is promoter shall not come under the picture of fugitive economic offender. 2. Once bonus share is declared by the board of director, process including allotment of bonus issue must be completed within 2 months from the board approval. On the other hand, we have listing regulation. There are 3 conditions that need to be satisfied. One is regulation 29. Under regulation 29, company has to intimate in advance to the stock exchange of board meeting details in which bonus share is going to be declared. Second, regulation 30. Regulation 30 deals with disclosure of material event. Material event here is outcome of board meeting in which bonus share declaration is made. And third one is regulation 42. Regulation 42 deals with record date. 7 days advance notice regarding record date must be made to the stock exchange by the company. So these are the regulatory framework that predominantly need to be satisfied by the company. In this video, we discussed about issue of bonus share. We discussed introductory part, that is basics of bonus share, then advantages of bonus issue, then sources from which bonus share can be made, and at last regulatory framework governing issue of bonus share. Hope you understood the concept. I will be coming out with various videos soon. I request you to subscribe to my channel if not subscribed, and click on bell button so that my videos will be received by way of notification. Be happy, be positive.